Why is crypto up today? September 2nd, 2025. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, market. Bitcoin's current level is neither a strong start of the month, nor does it exactly reinforce September as one of Bitcoin's weakest months. Though sentiment can change on a dime, says James Toledano, Chief Operating Officer at Unity Wallet. Journalist, Fadilpašić. Journalist, Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 5 hours ago. The crypto market is up today, with 90 of the top 100 coins turning green over the past 24 hours. Overall, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has increased by 0.5%, now standing at $3.89 trillion. At the same time, the total crypto trading volume is at $143 billion. TLDR. The crypto market saw a slight increase. 90 of the top 100 coins have turned green today. 9 of the top 10 coins have appreciated today, with BNB slightly in the red. BTC is up 2% to $110,245, and ETH rose 0.3% to $4,399. World Liberty Financial, WLFI, plummeted on its first day of trading, erasing early gains, resulting in immediate losses for investors. September often pressures Bitcoin, but it's not a guaranteed down month. The market is nearing the bottom of this downturn as we move into September. Bitcoin ETPs hold over 1.47 million BTC, or 7% of the 21 million supply. Crypto sentiment remains within the fear zone. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, 9 of the top 10 coins per market capitalization have increased over the past 24 hours, though some of them have barely moved. Bitcoin, BTC, appreciated 2% at the time of writing, now trading at $110,245. At the same time, Ethereum, ETH, is up by 0.3%, meaning that it's mostly unchanged, now changing hands at $4,399. This is the lowest increase in this category. The biggest rise in the category is XRP, S and Solana, SOL. S2.1% each to the prices of $2.80 and $203, respectively. The only red coin currently is Binance Coin, BNB, having decreased by 0.5%, changing hands at $854. As for the top 100 coins, Memecore, M, appreciated the most by far, 33.3%, to the price of $0.8588. It's followed by Pump.Fun, Pump, S9.6% to $0.003756. Of the 10 red coins, the highest decrease is recorded by World Liberty Financial, WLFI 14.3% to $0.2432. It's the only double-digit drop. It plummeted on its first day of trading, erasing early gains, resulting in immediate losses for investors. Official Trump is next, with a decrease of 7.2% to $8.36. The rest of the red coins are down 2.9% and less per coin. Meanwhile, Delphi Digital warned that a U.S. Federal Reserve rate cut could prompt a short-term spike followed by a steep correction, unless price action remains subdued heading into the decision. Setting the stage for the more bullish October. James Toledano, Chief Operating Officer at Unity Wallet, noted that Bitcoin was at the $107,000 level just days ago, so the current level of about $110,000 is neither a strong start of the month, nor does it exactly reinforce September as one of Bitcoin's weakest months. Still, sentiment can change on a dime, Toledano warned. Historically, BTC has often ended September in the red, averaging a 3%, 4% decline since 2013. This year may be different, given how tariffs have hit the index, and recent Septembers have shown moderate losses, with some even posting gains. September often pressures Bitcoin, but it's not a guaranteed down month, the exec says. Toledano continues, as usual, some in the DeFi circle spin these false narratives into patterns that don't exist with sentiment-driven assets. Risks for 2025 are still thin liquidity, leveraged positioning, and uncertainty around the U.S. Federal Reserve's September meeting. A rate cut could inject momentum and help Bitcoin hold its ground. A decisive break below $105,000 risks sub-$100K levels, but institutional inflows via ETFs, growing expectations of Fed cuts, could offset seasonal pressure. Holding above $110,000 into mid-September may weaken the perceived curse, setting the stage for the more bullish October. He concludes. Moreover, analysts from the crypto exchange Bitfinex commented that major coins endured a difficult week as macro jitters and the post-PPI, producer price index, sell-off weighed heavily on price action. The pullback, they argued, follows their prediction that BTC is likely to be prone to retracements and range trading in summer. We believe the market is nearing the bottom of this downturn as we move into September, the analyst said. When it comes to altcoins, the analysts expect the pullback to reach a conclusion relatively soon in September. The altcoin market seeing sharp rotations is a signal of majors seeing capital eventually flowing back in, particularly if the overall market declines further from current levels. The market would likely view such a development as a signal that a bottom is being reached, which would be in line with our end-of-summer thesis, which is when ETF flows across major asset classes pick up. Bitfinex analysts conclude. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing on Tuesday morning, BTC trades at $110,245. It jumped from an intraday low of $107,542 to the day's highest point of $110,507. The price is currently moving towards the intraweek high of $113,220. The weekly time range has also turned slightly green after days of red. Investors are now looking at resistance near $111,350 to $113,500. Which would lead to $115,700, as well as support at $107,335 and $105,150. Bitcoin price chart. Source TradingView. Ethereum is currently trading at $4,399. It decreased from the day's highest point of $4,481 to the lowest of $4,238, before recovering to the current level. Should the price continue to rise, it could hit $4,665, followed by $4,865. Conversely, it may drop to $4,265 and move lower to $4,070. Notably, the crypto market sentiment still stands within the fear zone. The crypto fear and greed index remained unmoved, standing at 39 today. This signals that caution turned into fear, which could continue pushing the prices down. Investors are keeping an eye on any incoming geopolitical and economic signals. Source, CoinMarketCap. Meanwhile, we don't have new data on the U.S. spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, as the country observed a bank holiday. As of August 29th, spot BTC ETFs stand at $54.24 billion in total, while spot ETH ETF's total net inflow reached $13.51 billion. Source, Sosa Value. Meanwhile, on September 1st, Japanese investment firm Metaplanet raised its holdings to 20,000 BTC with a purchase of an additional 1,009 coins, valued at $112 million. Furthermore, Bitcoin exchange-traded products, ETPs, now have a total of over 1.47 million BTC, accounting for some 7% of the coin's 21 million supply. The vast majority of this is with the US-based ETFs, holding more than 1.29 million BTC across 11 funds. Moreover, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is currently reviewing 92 crypto ETF applications. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move against stocks today? The crypto market increased over the past day. There is no data for the stock market because, unlike crypto, it's closed on bank holidays. On its previous day of trading on Friday, the stock market decreased, following quarterly earnings reports and other U.S. economic data. Is this rally sustainable? In the near term, it is not. While many analysts argue that we're still in for another major leg up, for now, there's still a chance that the prices will continue the correction. You may also like live crypto news today. Latest updates for September 2nd, 2025. The crypto market is up today, with 90 of the top 100 coins turning green over the past 24 hours. Overall, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has increased by 0.5%, now standing at $3.89 trillion. At the same time, the total crypto trading volume is at $143 billion. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, 9 of the top 10 coins per market capitalization have increased over the past 24 hours, though some of them have barely moved. Bitcoin BTC appreciated 2% at the Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Cardano and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Expectations of a Fed rate cut could push Ripple's price up by $10. Insiders recommend fine mining's XRP contracts. BlackRock offloads millions in BTC after weekly buys, market manipulation, or routine rebalance. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Avalanche and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Why is crypto down today? September 1st, 2025. Altcoin news. WLFI derivatives explode 500% ahead of Trump-linked coins. September 1st token unlock. 1 day ago, by Shalini Nagarajan. Press releases. XRP holders gain new opportunities every day through blockchain cloud mining. Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. Joseph Lubin confident in a 100x rally and a BTC flippening. 2 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 4 hours ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 4 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 5 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 9 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 3 days ago, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2nd, 2025, by Ben Beto.